This is Chapter 2, Solving Linear Inequalities, and 2.1, Writing and Graphing Inequalities. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that compares expressions. They have symbols such as these. And these inequality symbols, we would have less than, which can also be known as fewer than, greater than, or we could say more than, less than or equal to. This one has the line underneath. We could say at most or no more than, and then we have greater than or equal to, which we could say is at least or no less than. So let's write the inequality. A number x is less than 6. So where we have the word is shows us we're going to have a symbol in that area, but we just have to read it to see what it is. So a number x, and then we have less than, so we check and see which one says less than 6. A number y is at most 10. So we have y, we check and see is at most, right here, 10. A number x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 4. So we have x minus 3 is greater than or equal to, that's what this one is called up here, 4. And then we have triple a number is less than 2 more than 15. Triple a number means 3 times that number is less than 2 more than 15. So we have the solution of an inequality, which is a value that makes the inequality true. If you take a number and plug it in for x, do you get something that is true or something that is not true? Inequalities can have more than one solution. If we have, like our example, x is less than 6, I can choose any number smaller than 6, and that will be true. Then we have a solution set, and that is a group of all the solutions of an inequality. So we're going to find the solution. For x plus 4 is greater than 6. Today we're just going to guess and check. So we're going to say, if I pick this number and plug it in, does it work? So if I choose the number 5, 5 plus 4 is greater than 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 is greater than 6, so that works. If I choose 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is greater than 6. That's not true. I do not have the little or equal sign here. So it has to be something bigger than 2. X can be 3, 4, 10, or any other number we choose that's bigger than 2. Now for 2x is less than or equal to 20, if I choose let's say 15. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 is not less than 20. Okay, so bigger than 20 does not work. What about, well, no, 15 did not work. So if I choose 5, 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 is less than 20. I could also choose 10, because 2 times 10 is less than or equal to 20. So the or equals to says that it can also be 10 or any other number that is smaller than 10. And we can check our work by plugging it in and say 2 times 10 is 20, and 20 is less than or equal to 20. If we are going to graph an inequality, the graph shows the solution set of the inequality on a number line. If our graph has an open circle, that means the number that it is on is not included. That would be for less than or greater than. And if the circle is filled in, that means the number is included. That would be the less than or equals to or greater than or equals to. So we are going to graph x is less than 15. Make a number line, put the 15 on there, and then x has to be less than that. So I'm going to choose the side that the left side represents the smaller numbers than 15, so I'm going to shade the left side of the graph. For y is greater than or equal to 53, I make my number line and put 53, and I'm going to fill in the circle because I have the or equals to, and then y has to be bigger than 53, so that is the right side. Now we're going to write the inequality. So if I have this graph, I know I'm concerned about a 4. Since it's an open circle, I'm not going to have the line under my symbol, and it has to be bigger than 4. So x is greater than 4. And for this one, I know that I will have the line underneath because the circle is filled in. I'm concerned about 12, so something is going to be greater than or less than or equal to 12. Then the left side is shaded, so that's the smaller numbers than 12. So x must be less than or equal to 12.